Hello guys, welcome to the next video tutorial on Java programming for beginners. And in this video we will see how to use list iterators in Java. So Java has basically four main list iterators which we can use with array list or other classes, and these list iterators are these four. First is has next, which returns the boolean value. So it checks whether our list has next value, and if it has the next value, we can print the next value, or we can access the next value by the function called next. And similarly, by using has previous, it checks whether our list has a previous value related to the current value or relative to the current value, and if it has the previous value, then we can print or access this value using previous. So let's declare an array list and we make it as an array list of names. So we make it string, and our array list variable name we will name as names is equal to new array list, and this will be string also, and we will initialize it as a default constructor. Okay, so now we can add to this array list some names dot add, and we can add some values, for example mark, and in the similar way we can add some more values, right? So I will copy it and paste it 3 or 4 times. Second name is, for example, Tom. Third name is John, Jack, and Patrick, for example. So we have added 5 elements to our array list. Now to use these list iterator function, we need to use list iterator. So we will define list iterator. Okay, so list iterator, and we want to have the list iterator of string, same as your array list. So give the data type same as your array list, and then give a variable name, for example itr is equal to, and then take the list itself dot list iterator, okay, with small l. Okay, so now this creates an iterator for your list, and using this iterator you can check whether you you have the next value or the previous value in your list. So you can do something like this: while your iterator has next value, so itr dot has next, then we are going to print something. So sys o control shift, and we will print itr dot next. Okay, so what this is going to do, it will check first if our iterator has, or if our iterator has the next value, or so this points to the, for example, first element of the list, and then it checks if the iterator has the next value, which is Tom, and if it has, it prints the next value, or we can access the next value by the function called next. So this has next returns boolean, so it returns true or false, and this returns the object itself. So when we run the program, we can iterate over the list and print the list in this format. Okay. Similarly, you can check, or you can iterate over the list in the reverse order. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give some line break to our console here, so that we can iterate over the list in reverse order. So let's use while once again, while, and then this time we will use this iterator to iterate over the list in reverse order, right? So itr dot has previous, so search for has previous, or just copy this has previous from here, and then if we have, or iterator have the previous value, we are going to print the previous value. So we can just write iterator dot previous. Okay, so once we run the program, we can see, or we can print the value of the list in reverse order from Patrick to Mark, right? Patrick to Mark, and above it has printed from Mark to Patrick, which is in the normal order, right? So whenever you check iterator with has next, your pointer, or you will start from the top, and whenever you use has previous, your pointer will start from the last value and it checks the previous value, and until and unless it has, or your iterator finds the previous value, it will print the previous value. Okay, so these are some useful list iterator methods in Java. I hope you will use them in your programming, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.